If you are a new brand and you are using Instagram, in this video today I will tell you how you can increase your customer base and thus double your sales just using Instagram. Stick till the end of the video. Hello guys, welcome to our Easy Ops YouTube channel. So you click this video because you want to know how you can use Instagram to double up your sales. So yes, this is the right video for you and today we will be discussing about the same. So let's start. So at first the Instagram used to be a photo sharing platform, but now the time has changed and so has Instagram. Now the algorithm of Instagram especially pushes video format, more specifically Reels. So if you are a new business, the first step would be start creating Reels. There are many new businesses that make this mistake of not using the proper potential of Instagram. If you are going to grow your social media account and you are not following the algorithm, then it's not going to work. So hence the first step is start creating Reels on Instagram. That will help you increase your reach. Then the second mistake that everyone is making is not putting up content before posting an ad. So for example, if you are posting an ad, you should at least put some content for the audience to go and see. I will give you an example. If you see an ad about a company and you find it interesting and you click the profile of the company and you don't find any content that you can watch other than the ad, then the company seems less trustable. That's why what I recommend is you should at least put 15 photos and 10 Instagram reels or normal videos. Then start posting your first ad. This will help you gain the trust of the customers, gain the trust of the new audience that you will be getting from the ad. So first post the content and then after the content is posted for 15 to 16 days, then post your first ad. Talking about ads, the third mistake that I see everyone making is that they start directly selling in the ad. So you have to understand, if you are asking a customer to buy something from you, first you have to provide them some value for their time. So you have to provide them value for clicking on your video. For example, if you are a clothing brand, the first ad should be you sharing information how a particular fabric is different from the other fabrics and how it can be useful for the customer. And then by the end of the ad, by the end of 60 seconds, you should tell, you don't have to worry about the fabrics, where to buy, how to buy. You just come visit our profile, we will guide you. Then you get the customers, you get the potential customers who are interested in buying the fabric, and also you are not directly selling it to the customers because you are providing them the information. So by given information, if somebody is interested in that fabric or in that product, they will surely come to your profile and buy your things. It's just one example for the clothing brand. You can create such many more. The fourth tip is also the same, that the first ad should be a magnet ad. That you have to run 2 or 3 ads. The first ad should be a magnet ad. That you will be attracting the customers. Just as the name suggests, magnet attracts other things, right? So you have to attract the customers. You have to post an ad in such a way that the customers are bound to visit your profile. And then in the profile you will post your second ad or your second content that will guide them to buy your product or buy from you or any other services you provide. That will guide them. First you have to create a magnet ad and then the actual ad. So there should be a layering between the ads. You have to understand that. So this is all for today. If you like the video, please like and comment down below about the next topic you want, or you can subscribe to our channel to not miss another update from us. Thank you. Bye.